Photogrammetry is basically a non-contact inspection and measurement technique that utilises digital SLR cameras, and from that we capture images of a target, which can be either a component, an assembly, a whole train, a station, whatever it might be, and produce a 3D model of that product. That can be used for various purposes. You may want to do a modification to that train or vehicle. We can use it for things like driver simulation, so you can export that data into the driver training tool to replicate that train. And we can also use it for work instructions, so we can build 3D animated models to improve digital work instructions for the shop floor, thus improving quality and efficiency. We can also use it for quality inspection. You can also use it in service into a maintenance depot, and then you can also record the as dispatched condition, so you can understand exactly how that vehicle left the factory. Finally, you can also scan your infrastructure. So photogrammetry essentially uses digital camera technology to capture multiple images of the target, whether that be again a component, an assembly or a train, and stitches those images together to form a complete image of that product in 3D. So that's then converted to what's called a point cloud. So that's a very detailed model. Each individual point is a measurement point, and then from that you can convert that into a typical 3D model. That 3D model then can be exported out of the system and used in the various cases I mentioned in the answer to question 1. You can use single cameras in a fixed array, you can have multiple cameras, and you can have them on a robot arm, or you can have them on an inline automated process, so it's quite flexible. So there's multiple advantages for photogrammetry. It's highly accurate, it's fast, so typically 50% faster than a lot of the traditional methods. It's non-contact, so there's no risk of damaging sensitive components. It's fully scalable, so again you can scan anything from a component up to an entire train. You can scan and detect visual defects, and it can also be used in hostile environments. So what we do for our clients is we can help for the full implementation life cycle for a solution. So we can help you define your requirements, we can help carry out proof of concepts, we can help validate any solutions that we're going to implement, and we can help integrate them into our clients' processes. Secondly, we've got our cross-sector experience, so from the rail, aerospace and automotive sectors, plus our engineering capabilities and digital capabilities, we can combine all of those to provide a rapid turnkey solution to our clients. And thirdly, our expertise in the rail sector itself. So we have very strong design capabilities in rolling stock, for example. We work across the full product life cycle through design, manufacturing and aftermarket. We are very well aware of all the risks and reliability issues in the rail sector and warranty issues. The three highlights for me are that Expleo, with our rail expertise, can develop rapidly rail-specific solutions for our customers. Secondly, our engineering capabilities plus our digital aspects of our business means that we can provide turnkey solutions to our customers. And thirdly, we've already delivered several projects in the rail sector around simulation for driver training and reverse engineering of legacy products, and are continuing to develop rail-specific solutions for our clients.